Tired of spending hours buried in textbooks and notes? Imagine having AI tools that can summarize your lectures, generate quizzes, and even help you write essays, all in minutes. In this video, I'm showing you 5 free AI tools that can save you hours of study time and level up your learning game. Stick around until the end. Your future self will thank you. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a student, lifelong learner, or just someone who wants to learn smarter, you're in the right place. Let's face it, studying can be time-consuming, stressful, and sometimes downright frustrating. Reading textbooks, taking notes, and preparing for exams often eats up hours of your day. But here's the good news. AI is changing the way we study. Today, I'm going to show you 5 free AI tools that can save you hours of study time, help you understand complex topics, and make learning way more efficient. These tools are perfect for high school, college, or anyone who wants to learn faster and smarter. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which tools to use, how to use them, and how to integrate them into your daily study routine. What it is. ChatGPT is an AI-powered chatbot that can answer questions, explain concepts, and even help you write essays. Why it helps. Complex topics suddenly become easy to understand. Think physics formulas, calculus problems, or tricky history concepts. ChatGPT can break them down step by step. How to use it. 1. Ask specific questions like, explain Newton's laws with real-life examples. 2. Request summaries. Summarize the causes of World War I in 3 paragraphs. 3. Generate essay drafts or practice problems for exams. Spend 15 minutes a day asking ChatGPT about difficult topics. Turn explanations into your own notes. Use it to create self-test quizzes. What it is. Quizlet AI converts your notes into flashcards and quizzes automatically. Why it helps. Repetition-based learning is scientifically proven to improve memory retention. Quizlet makes this process fast and interactive. How to use it. 1. Copy your lecture notes into Quizlet. 2. Let Quizlet AI generate flashcards. 3. Practice daily using multiple choice, true, false, or written quizzes. Use spaced repetition to review flashcards over time. Focus on weak areas flagged by Quizlet's AI. Combine with ChatGPT summaries for even faster prep. What it is, Notion AI is an all-in-one workspace that helps you organize notes, create study schedules, and even make summaries. Why it helps. Keeps your study material organized, reduces clutter, and makes revision super efficient. How to use it. 1. Organize lecture notes into different pages. 2. Use AI to generate summaries or mind maps. 3. Plan your study schedule with deadlines and reminders. Convert long lectures into concise summaries. Highlight key points for exams. Track your progress with daily or weekly review pages. What it is. Perplexity AI is a research assistant that finds accurate answers and reliable sources fast. Why it helps. No more endless Googling or wasting time reading unreliable content. It provides concise, factual answers. How to use it. 1. Type in a topic or question. 2. AI returns relevant info with references. 3. Copy summaries into your notes for quick study. Use it for research papers to save hours. Fact-check information quickly. Get curated references for assignments or projects. What it is. Mem AI is a personal memory assistant that organizes your notes automatically and reminds you about important topics. Why it helps. Reduces the risk of forgetting important concepts and makes revision effortless. How to use it. 1. Add daily notes. 2. AI highlights important concepts and links related ideas. 3. Set reminders for regular revision. Pin critical concepts for easy access. Use auto-summary feature before exams for last-minute prep. Review AI suggestions to reinforce long-term memory. So, there you have it. The 5 free AI tools that can save you hours of study time and make learning smarter, not harder. Using AI for studying isn't just about saving time. It's about understanding topics faster, remembering more, and reducing stress. My tip: combine these tools to match your study style. For example, use ChatGPT to understand, Quizlet for repetition, and Notion to organize. If you try any of these tools, comment below which one worked best for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on studying smarter with AI.